So this is day 7 of our bioremediation experiment. We're trying to use microorganisms to break down waste engine oil, which is a hydrocarbon. So far, the cultures are behaving the way we expect them to behave, or we expected them to behave from the beginning. The control culture doesn't have any hydrocarbons, so we don't expect to see any stains on the hydrocarbon detecting strip. The second one here has half a mil or 500 microliters of oil, and we can see clearly there's a stain on that strip which indicates the presence of oil. And the last one, which has 1000 microliters or 1 mil of waste engine oil, has significantly more stains as expected. So initially we were expecting bacteria to grow in these cultures, but we can see that a fungus, which appears to be the same fungus, is the whitish material, is a mushroom growing on top of the cultures. It's completely taking over all 3 cultures and growing very luxuriantly. In fact, this is not a bad thing because fungi do a better job in terms of breaking down crude oil if you provide the right environment for them. They're eukaryotic, they're more robust. It seems that they're making some kind of a surfactant, something that acts like a soap, which allows them to attack the hydrocarbons in water, because hydrocarbons don't necessarily dissolve well in water. But with surfactants, they can get more access to it and break it down slowly but surely. And this one over here has significantly more engine oil still left in it because we added more engine oil to this sample. So it's been 7 days. We've seen considerable reduction in the amount of hydrocarbons present in the last 2 cultures here, to which we added hydrocarbons. So we're going to leave it for another week and come back and see what is left in the culture. Bear in mind that for this to happen, we had to supply nutrients in the form of starch and glucose to the cultures, which microorganisms require to grow. Particularly fungi do like starch. It supplies food for them, which allows them to secrete the necessary enzymes with which they need to break down the hydrocarbon. Also, we supplied minerals as well, which allow them to work with their enzymes. Some enzymes require minerals as cofactors to be able to do their work. So far we've made some progress. We'll leave it for another week and see how things go after a week.